Ray Cyrus and Firerose's whirlwind marriage has officially ended after just 7 months. And while the divorce is finalized, things got messy along the way. What happened and how is Ray moving on from it? Let's dive in. I'm your relationship and intimacy expert, Dr. Viviana, and this is Pop Love, a show where I take celebrity love headlines, break down the drama, and share my expert relationship takeaways with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you click on the bell to get notifications of all my videos as they go live. Ray and Firerose were married in October 2023, but things quickly unraveled, and by May, Ray filed for divorce, citing irreconcilable differences and even seeking an annulment claiming fraud. Firerose had her own accusations alleging verbal and emotional abuse. In the end, both seemed relieved to put their relationship behind them. Ray reportedly felt annoyed by the drama surrounding the divorce and just wants to move forward. But what can we learn from this breakdown in communication and trust? There are a few key lessons for any couple navigating conflict. Let's explore some big questions after a quick break. Don't forget to shop thebloomy.com, the trusted destination for clean, intimate care. And don't forget to use my special discount code DRVIVIANA for 15% off when you shop thebloomy.com. If you or your business would like to become a friend of the show, head over to poploveshow.com. We're back. This situation brings up some important questions about marriage and conflict resolution. Number 1, how can you ensure trust is maintained in a relationship even during tough times? Number 2, what are effective ways to communicate during conflict? Number 3, how do you rebuild after trust has been broken? I often work with couples struggling with trust and communication. Whether you're dealing with daily stresses or big issues like infidelity or divorce, having open conversations and listening without judgment can be the key to staying connected. The big takeaways are coming right after this break. Long-term love can be beautiful, but it can also be challenging, especially when it comes to intimacy. That's why I created the 4 intimacy styles and a whole collection of tools to help couples rediscover their connection. From emotional disconnect to desire discrepancy, these products are designed to address the most common intimacy issues I see in my practice. Head over to drviviana.com/shop and get started today with my proven tools that have saved countless relationships. Whether you've been together for 5 months or 15 years, these tools can make all the difference. Shop now. We're back. Here are 3 important takeaways from Ray and Firerose's split. Trust and communication go hand in hand. Keeping an open dialogue, even in tough times, is vital to maintaining trust in a relationship. Resolve conflict with respect. When disagreements arise, staying calm and approaching each other with empathy can prevent conflicts from escalating. Rebuilding is possible. If trust has been broken, it's not necessarily the end. With patience, openness, and support, couples can work together to heal and move forward. Whether you're dealing with big challenges or everyday issues, building and maintaining trust is key to a strong relationship. And remember, it's never too late to rebuild if you're both committed to making it work. I've put together a list of 10 must-ask questions to help you navigate trust and communication in your relationship. Head over to Pop Love Show on Instagram and DM the phrase Trust Talk to get them. If you found this episode helpful, share it with someone who's working on their relationship too. And don't forget to follow Pop Love Show on Instagram for more insights. For more relationship advice, check out another episode of Pop Love on my YouTube channel. See y'all there.